have the Eee keyboard that we're going to get unboxing. So let's just open it up. Oh, over here. So that just flips open. And here it is. We're starting off with the warranty card here at the top. How long's the warranty on that?
It varies by region.
Varies by region. All right. Right here at the top, we've got the Eee keyboard itself. So this is actually missing a sticker or two. We're going to have a little sticker here indicating that this is the SOS button. If you want to know what that does, watch my walkthrough. I put it up yesterday. So here's the Eee keyboard. All the connectors on the back, including HDMI, 3 USBs. There's your ultra wideband. But we've already done a kind of walkthrough of that. So let's get into the unboxing down here. We have more manuals. Here's a quick setup and troubleshooting guide, and here we have a user manual. Very nice. So it comes with HDMI cable. Let's see, this would be the connector for the ultra wideband receiver. No, this would be the charger for the Eee keyboard?
No, this is the ultra wideband receiver.
This is the ultra wideband receiver. I was right. Excellent. This would be the charger for the. This would be the charger for the Eee keyboard. Here's the ultra wideband receiver. Comes with a slightly rubberized bottom there, so that it doesn't slide around. It's got the HDMI port and the charge, the PSU. Very sleek design. Here is the ultra wideband receiver for the Eee keyboard. Just fits on the unit right like this. So there we go. And here we have the other side of the charging cable. And this is the charger for the receiver.
Oh, I put 2 inside.
So we have 2. This one generally doesn't come with 2. This one's a special one for here at ASUS, because the other one was European. So just to show you the difference. All right, so this is shipping with 16 and 32 gig at $549 for the 16 gig and $599 for the 32. And that is an SSD. All right, so I'm Nicole Scott from Netbook News, unboxing the Eee keyboard.